Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We are going to take a tour of a Porsche 959 Tamiya kit. Stay tuned for more. Okay, Tamiya's 1/12 scale high performance four-wheel drive. This is the size of my hands. The kit is pretty gigantic. The toy is 1/12, but let me tell you, you just don't really notice the difference between 1/12 and 1/10 in terms of substantial differences. These are all the tech specs of the kit. Japanese maker Tamiya was so proud of this, and I understand why. It's absolute tour de force of engineering prowess. Graphic design, I mean, the person that did the graphics and the cutaway was an absolute master. And then they want to brag about the other tech details back here. About the gold motor and the RC needed. Okay, we just opened the compartment. Voila! Racing rims. We got bumpers. We have screws, metal parts, glues, heat sinks. It's just neat to see below. An incredible number of nylon gears. Skid plates, shock parts and pieces. Big wing. Falcon. Porsche. What a gorgeous presentation. We have parts and pieces below here. Bearings, motors, gold motors. Dog bones, we got 4 of them for four-wheel drive. Metal parts bag. They get all of this lined up just like it's a military operation. It's pretty incredible. Okay, below, beautiful presentation, are the parts and pieces. And Tamiya was very, I guess, detailed and exacting and deluxe with multicolor. White, we have clear lenses, we have black, we have nylon, we have additional black, natural rubber, and clear, obviously, for the clear Lexan. Porsche, Porsche, Porsche. Now the tires. This instruction manual is fabulous. I'm almost going to say it's the best Tamiya ever did in terms of love, detail, thickness, graphic design. So scissors, all the little bits and pieces, installation kit. They do give it to you in German and English. And when you turn, again, it's kind of a tri-logo as I see it. It's, if not quad. So here we have German, Japanese, English, so forth. Look at this differential. Yeah, I'm geeking out here, but let me just say, it's pretty amazing to build a rally car, and then this level of detail that Tamiya did was just amazing. It's amazing how far Ready to Race toys have come compared to where things used to be. We used to have to do all the servo arms, all the plug-ins, all the adjustments. And here we've got a little bladder to cover up the speed controller for weatherproofing. See, they show you all the details on how to do this. Masking, get your paints right, get your colors right. Be sure to use official Tamiya color. Boop. Boop. And it just keeps going. What happens if you have problems? What it looks like. Precautions in German. Technicolor gold motor. Looks like they tell you about disassembly. And then parts. Dun dun dun!